We see the bigger picture. We have some showers and even some rain around, but nowhere near us. If we look a little closer in, yeah, there's a little bit of mist and drizzle. I've really turned up the gain here, so it's not really going to show up that significantly, but it certainly does on our lens with our City View camera. We do have little drops here and there, and the temperature is dropping as well, down to 37, 10 miles visibility at KCI, so not too bad really, but there are some pockets here and there where the visibility's come down quite a bit. Look out there in Lawrence, 5 miles visibility. Olathe only a 3-mile visibility, same for Paola. 10 miles for most others. Up toward Maryville, 7 miles visibility. That'll be the trend. And did you see down toward Garnett, our computer system, just like that, updating that we are looking pretty nice as far as the visibilities are concerned. 37 the present temperature, and our temperatures will continue to drop off. Take a look at the exclusive First Alert 9-day forecast. 29 to 50 tomorrow, a blustery day. Spring ahead on Sunday up to 62. Here come the 70s for a few days in a row early next week, but also a chance of thunderstorms rolling through. And as we're looking toward the open, 56 as we're heading for the Current as well as for Sporting KC.